United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okoman Radio. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Media Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Right, yabema obibia achen ediabo Okoman 97.1. Ebredu say de agudemu ensemo yatuni din Okoman Global Sports the weekend edition jede and also ebeba and being the 17th of December 2022 the year of our Lord. Ana nyame abom pa boyenga de ababedru ha. Nyame waboyenga yempa bo yensufre ni nyina wenjaya jeje mu ede aba bewre mu ewa ha aka nefu aka kra bi pe nefu abeyedu 14 days na ya end the month of December including the year 2022 na I say bye bye to 2022 na chese nyame aye bi pa entene ye piemu ye ba be discuss agudemu ensem a ye boboa no efiri oman konkro Ghana ebibrem ene Europe abrochimemu ana yatenase a yede emu nsem nyina enso ede eba na nsem awodo a ye behwe no edoso yipa upiemu oman konkro Ghana nsem wa ha African so nsem guso a ekoso sanso ana Europe de na se abrochimemu yewrim wo ho a na FIFA World Cup a ekoso ewo Qatar the first edition Arabian countries so no host the FIFA World Cup no we so na be the last edition so far as 32 participants and so ye consent e FIFA World Cup ni munte nei enya asem keto akra 17th of December 2022 third and fourth place and so Baso Education City and I say Khalifa International Stadium e ho anani game no Baso referee friend no Ajasim ono Qatari referee and name penny for pound so no subejinem na watu ayram in a game involving Croatia, the Blazers, and then the Atlas Lions of Morocco. That is Europe. And so any African continent in any one air play over the third and fourth place in the bronze medal. Wine Anna LG Ochinada being the 18th of December. You remove over the finals, and so Ebekoso. Our Education City Stadium na yede ho sem nyina e de aba ana se no Lucille producer you good Lucille iconic stadium ho ana final no ebetumi akoso referee Polish International Simon Masiniak ana mpanifo pa no se masa uye macho man pa ho deni soja ni mapa onso ba beginum na enei bedi game no na bibia nso no enye kama perperio enso intumi enkoso ye game involving Argentina, South America, Comebo, and a woman free, woman so European, and France, woman so free Europe, UEFA, I swear ye, and a woman so airport. Not just a Noma air conkai pa. The last four no, Jenya 2 Europeans are Bakon Ekako pre bronze, and a Bakon and so a pre good medal. Sanso and Yenya Africa ni Bakwan, or pre bronze, and a South America ni Bakwan, or also Ekako pre good medal. Ama Noma etundin kind, Akon kind. Na say Akalifi wetumi akasa or a president and so Edema Paris Saint-Germain team no onimu say nei France no di nkwe ohodi Paris Saint-Germain and to also the same do na to go afa World Cup finals e beto so ochinada no host of other legends and so the same do na etumi atodwa uberemu e wo Africa hanomo a and some no do na yedi ni nyina ba na ne omanso no etumi akonkan. Before then, uremu ewo social media platforms no so like page Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Jumedio no so streaming live na manioma yetumi akwankan so na YouTube and so Okoman Radio 971 Jumedio no etwegu ewo kama udua na wetumi subscribe na nioma so no etumi akwankan ekasima be duni asore so a ubetumi afre enso e de aba o text message and WhatsApp message ubetumi edi ni nyina afa ahoma yi so 0551 667755 0551 667755 now so wetumi adwene WhatsApp message sanso ana ye phone lines na ubetumi afre and I say WhatsApp call e bia wo feel say obefre WhatsApp and also 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and so be to me afre WhatsApp message any text message any call nyina no edubra ye be bia homa no now so we to me afraba na enyoma and so to me akonkan come on executive producer Yenra Kofi Anson Bafo ono na nei ti brekesia wachichiri dwumadie ni nyina enso ediesi yensre so a yede eba de odi animu enso HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajiman ono nso ebre bibia ekurunche nneoma de egu nkrata so kama se ne yembetena se na yendi aho abobo empape mu ne empe Ghana agudie mu ene ne pomasi brena nneoma nso no enye kama enso Nana Kwame Amponsa edi enemisi na egwanimu a nishu kakraka no mede me na ewrem a me nso me hye ahwese de nneoma ebetumi akonkan sanso ana pa solo paradise enso epiemu ewa ha adwopoku a opoku ezonam enso ewa ha eboa madwumedie netumi akonkan producer papa DJ Vibes enso eboa etinchim dwumedie no ene machines no efuruma se bibia betumi akonkan kama na yengenya a successful program ene anopei enso live on Okoman Radio 97.1 uremu ewo intentankese no so a DJs Gibi ana eboa live streaming no nyoma ekoso ho nyina enso Zigibi eboa ma nyoma nso no etumi akonkan masamo eboa ma chese wa bayese obetumi epiemu ha ye nyoma bia ensem fata bia ono na nei Chief Inspector of Security odi anim ahwenim se bibia betumi akonkan kama entimasamo enso eboa mitiadwanim edema AK midin Krobea Asante yeba ne yaba behwehwe nsem no mu a na ne omatumi ai kama na nsem a yehwe no anyina enso no edoso ye papa enti yebetie foreign tune no kakra yeba na yede foreign front ensem a to akoso unum se work up no dodo na aye work up no press no players no ene managers no ne ade a enti no yebehwe se de no manso no ebesi akọ na bibia etumi ai kama yentwa ehumbra.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy. ¡Golazo!
Okoman Radio.
En la garganta mientras se maten a goles. ¡Golazo! ¡Aso!
Mira Caleri para el gol. Palacio se la da y Caleri se va. Se va para el gol Tevez. Caleri o Tevez. Tevez no. Caleri. Cántalo.
Yankwa mono ne yemfa mono ne nsem a yenso yetumi abobo ano ne nyina enso emfa embeda o dwene e Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 sanso ana YouTube no Okoman Radio 97.1 sese yakase radio no ababe yo audio visual ante ne wu dwene no na unso utie na o sanso ehwe na unya the clear vivid description of the stories a jeti ne nyina enso ede eba yebepo ewremu enso ewo Africa ha ne ahwe nsem ba ko mienu a eno so etodwa on se 2025 Afcon ebetumi akoso enso ewo Africa no ene teams anasa oman awdrona ana wo so send in a bid say wo mu betumi nya hosting right no na manioma nso no etumi akonkan na yemfa ene teams awdro a anasa aman awdro a wo so ede wo lete krata akwakohwremu ewo kafa so yese wo mo hwenim so wo so benya hosting right no na 2025 Afcon no so no wo so etumi agede si wo sere so Nigeria enso oman a wo mo etumi akwakohwremu na Nigeria hwenim se wo mo ne Benin ana ne wo mo ye collaboration no na wo so de akwakopi mu ewo kafa so ye na wo agi atum na wo so etumi hosti ene Afcon 2025 a ebetumi actor akoso no Morocco enso account bi sanso ana Algeria enso account bi South Africa ana efe Senegal ne Zambia wo mu nyina amana Nigeria Benin wamu collaboration sanso ana Morocco Algeria South Africa enso ene Senegal ne Zambia wamu so hwenim se soli wamu so betumi ewini right no na wamu etumi host 2025 Afcon eno so betumi ato akoso no na announcement no by CAF womo so ekosone so nyoma so ahwe obi bia consider obi bia pitches a ono so ewo stadium awudo ni nyina womo ehwe environment hotels awudo se ene nipa egichiridi agichrada aba bepiemu ewo aman awudo mu a hwana na nei oye well prepared so no so ebetumi host billions of people and as millions of people enso ewo ni kromu ama ene AFCON no enso etumi ato akoso ntini nyina enso ade a ebetumi abaso January 5th ekopim January 25th ana FIFA ebeye sam pensem nyina etum grofo awotro enso aye nhwehwem ni nyina wo mu hwie a nefe announcement no so no ebetumi abaso February 10th 2023 February 10th 2023 ana CAF nso ehwe nim so obetumi announce obia anasa amaya obetumi hosti eba be Nigeria, Benin, Morocco, Algeria, South Africa, Senegal anasa Zambia wan ana nei ono so ehwini amani oma etumi akonkan enti abiri ni du a yedi ni nyina eba betuga CAF nso be announcement kama na bibia so no etumi akonkan a yedi ho nsem ni nyina enso ede eba onim se nei a Confederation of African Football womo eje including Morocco womo eje World Club Cup no enso etumi host no ende anka RS Berkane enso ekambia womo etumi ewini ende CAF Confederation Cup no sanso ana Wydad Casablanca enso etumi ewini na mmom enya de a FIFA anase FIFA mbremu no womo nso etwemase Krobea Asante ubetumi enya 2 ende no international clubs a womo nso ebe represent ewoso nti sa ankoyia eye Berkane enso ene Wydad ana wo mu wini Confederation and Champions League respectively enti said the nyoma ka ko na kire se nea ono nso ne Berkane etumi eboy no ono na ne obetumi enya right no enso etumi abwewre mu nti na kire se Al Ahly of Egypt enso stand a chance so nso betumi participate ama nyoma nso no etumi akonkan a yede ho sem ni nyina no enso ede eba yenti tom ne hwe Europe ensem ba ku mienu a eno nso etodwa enso ewo hono a uremu Robert Lewandowski enso abranti osina kan enso edema FC Bayern Munich abranti no be si akan ewo FIFA World Cup a ekoso ewo Qatar ni mo wie a ana ne wo modembo entumi ankon kan a team a your friend of France ebo wo mu free mu in the round of 16 wo mo so kofie ewo hono mo a abranti na ba be pie mu enso ewo Namibia ene originally kama ama nyoma nso etumi ankon kan ti holidays no or enjoy wo ha ansa na ebri ni du a wadane nani e de a kire Barcelona Spain no so akwa dwani crew no na wo ma prepare return of the Santander La Liga no na nyoma etumi akonka ba onu se La Liga de enya de betumi ahase December January mo bebia wo mo breaki e de ama wo ma wo mo so Christmas no wo mo ekọ ama nyoma nso etumi akonka nti ne one ne hu kani Anna Lewandowski enso enjoy ma nyoma nso no ekọ kama ama bibia nso no fine Christopher Viviali enso RB Leipzig, one more sporting director, Chelsea, and one more Kasa, Uriah friend Todd Bolly, Shenim Sobabe, sporting director, and so Yama Chelsea, say commodity no any BPA to me a concaya document in Adina, one more to me as in sign of Penino, no, and so Eba, Ababe Shenim say no man, no, a bit to me a concaya long term project, and I know one more to Penino anymore, or Babe 8 years contract today, or Penini to me as Saya, or Babe Buejuma, and so Ede Ama Timno, Nanyo Manso, to me a konkan enumu ana Chelsea aso enum a unso uhwemu ehonoma ensema wodona ana eba wo mo preseason and I said trial games are one more ball ahead of the resumption of the English Premier League, you know. Unimsa branch your friend Armando Broya, and so a striker mapa edema team no na enumu ana openino and so to me ekonya injury anti-cruciate ligament or cotenefie by a 5 to 6 months season in entirely and ya dia branch ni betumi a Japan esi akadia ma Chelsea enumu ana ne wo mo hwehwe ni replacement so bia ono so ba be back our branch your friend Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang Francois na manyo so etumi akonkan wo mo di wo mani atitemu ase Yusufa Mokoko ono branch o German international young sensation osi akan ma Borussia Dortmund juyimu a na ne contract nso ba na wieye enya ade a Juventus ana se Dortmund enso ahwe enim se wo be ma no contract extension enti branch no so no ahwe enim se nei ono so betumi ebuna ketem Chelsea etumi adwane se wo be convince branch no na wo ma pesika kakra se Dortmund ebe lucia branch na wo mu nya hwede wo mu bowremu January yimu a na wo ma pebe 5 million bi enso ya di ama Dortmund na wo mogya mu enso amana pa na waba be boa ma nyoma etumi akonkan oni abranti a ene ya Ivorian sensation abranti a friend David Datro Fofana ono so ani nemu ewo Norwegian League ni mu a ya wo Modi club wo eho no nso esi akan na numu na wo mo kira abranti a anase papa ya friend Christopher Vivelia enche ono so betumi aba sporting director no ono na ne waye nhwehwemu a enso ewo ho sa abranti no num so ono ano ya abranti a ene ya friend no Ellen Brotherland ne ho adwuma no kire say abranti wo hwe ne scoring rate ene sene Norwegian league no all 10 no na numbers no wo soro papa compared to time abranti friend no Ellen Brotherland eye adwuma no enso ho nti wo mu hwe nim so no nso no betumi aba nti between Yusufa Fofana ene abranti friend no Yusufa anasa abranti friend no Fofana datro no one abranti friend no Yusufa abranti Mukoko no wo mu hwe nim se ba ko betumi aba na enuoma nso etumi akon kan na bibie tumi aye kama eno na nsem a eba yede ho nsem nyina etu anim onim so ochinada ana France enso ebo mu game ne nyina ye hwe nim se after se France ebebo World Cup ni bewie no pani a ye friend Didier Deschamps edi na ejuma beto no de beto a no pani ye friend Zinedine Zidane a ono ni nyina ana wini France wo mo first World Cup enso ede ma wo mo back in 1999 wa bra na Didier Deschamps aye captain na Zidane aye poster boy enso ede ma national team no wo mo nyina na ne wo bu adwuma nti opani ya ba beje na we wini World Cup ba kwa okọ ni mpre nu so no se koye anasa nkoyi a ni nyina mu ni Zidane ana oba beje ende no ukopie mu e wo FF na wo mo e de report aba so opani e frɛ no Didier Deschamps no e beto akoso a enso etumi aye adwuma akwa kopie mu 2024 ansa na ne opani a ye frɛ no Zidane enso e be etumi aba beje na opani e frɛ no Zidane ye hwenim so ka kopie mu enso e wo France FFP no ukopie mu e ho no ma GFA wo mo so e wo France e de letter ekoma no ema ne ticket ni bibia se final no won be hin opani no ho na mum Zidane enso ehwenim se ansha final no de ochenada enya de obetumi akwa kopie mu enso wo Qatar no no nso etumi akwa hwe game a France enso ene Argentina enso ebetumi abo no eno ne nsem kakra ye de ho nsem ni nyina enso de eba enyoma nso no ebetumi akonkan wo ho no sanso ana ene uremu a abrante a anase papa ye frɛ no Hassan Nasser Al-Khelaifi president edema Paris Saint-Germain ono so edi nsem awoto na etumi edi atugwa se ohwenim pa se Lionel Messi wo PSG Kylian Mbappé Lotin wo PSG ohwenim se sa two players yi ohun di obeje bat akoyete se France ne second home into ohwenim se enne anaso ochinada enko ewie ya de ohwenim se France ebetumi the trophy no aba bewremu France because they say ohwe ni nuoma nyina aba be te say French ono wo mo na ekowo ekranda eye bibia boom eda sorry boom ni bibia into ono de between Messi and Kylian Mbappé de owo Mbappé and left World Cup no no so enfambra na enuoma enso enye kama sanso ana Rio Ferdinand eden sama tutugwa se ohwenim se World Cup yi de ano bedin but akoye se matro nioma bia fa ho se World Cup Messi Argentina because o sha Argentina matches a wo mu bo nyina e kamia se wo mu bo wie bia question e wo ho referee anye bibia favor won a hu se opponent a wo mu bo no che players no ye nioma bia commit some silly mistakes bi ana penalty na Messi nko a she 4 penalties ana say 3 penalties ana Messi nko a etumi a she out of 4 wo mu nyama no na che so panino 5 goals no penalties nkwa ne modern bono enche dan konkan bia no no de o 2014 Messi kutabo ene onenemu a wo mo bewie ball pa 90 minutes na Messi 9 aka boss be 18 15 9 even first half against Croatia na Messi 9 aka ball be say 10 pe into ono de ohun say afi wo mo deserve ne mmom no aye say football said their electronic story no sani oma ni nyina edidi opani nechi ene Argentina national team nim say bibia no atworo say eye Argentina intina no ana o hwenim say wombetuma ye bibi ne mmom no France enya ade a enuoma nso no ebetumi akonkan yi ede ama wom ene nsensem awodo a eno so ekoso enso ewo France aso ya yedi ni nyina enso ede eba uhwemu ewo pressa ene mpanifo etumi eye na abrante friend Hugo Lloris or your captain edema the French national team ono no kotena ase oni Didier Deschamps ani ekobisa ni so pani Lionel Messi mo amhwedwuma oba bewrem na mo ka kohia Lionel Messi no plan ben ana Didier Deschamps ade atomanim as players a mo so moko as a goalkeeper who you defending champions oba be the first ever and say captain a waji trophy back to back World Cup no back to back ho intene wo hwenim se won so betumi asad na no se Lionel Messi Messi or your player back up when so a 11-11 and a kako jina into a team versus a team and a kakobo into a dia hubia and so wom Messi ejina matches bebre moi Messi Lucy into some matches no listen so a baden a Messi Luciana into we no a game and found say Messi jim and I say Messi engine and to wombo to me about Amanioma concan and I almost be so penny say nay Osha supporters I would draw one more bar a camia is a nina World Cup Osha attendance 3 matches leading in our top 10 no Argentina matches and kwa wombe yes 9 nina woman who's nature supporters in a day woman equita nina no so woman so France for na baby PM hono woman no woman supporters into one beto akoso abo ejonchi na woman so aye juma no e dia ma fans kakra woman so baby PM na nyoma so no etumi aye kama eno ne nsema ono so edi etu guade de champ and ye kobisa no so no so opani ene Lionel Messi kruyara ewo team a onso ba be hia no strategy ben ana wo mount edi akako hia Lionel Messi no so Lionel Messi de or a player exceptional player pa or you one of the best in the whole wide world into a branch and modern bo konkan ne momruwe no eye team a wo mo ehihye nim emfa ho ne ne ebeko bia no wo mo hwe nim se wo be face Messi ama ne o man so no etumi akonkan na we no eye Argentina versus France enye Messi ene Mbappe ana enye Messi ene Griezmann ana enye obi bia enye player by player ene anka tennis ana anka yede wo begirim na wo makwa akobo we no eye collective work ana wo munyina ka akoye enti eno so ene kakra openi no ede etuga Lionel Scaloni se ne bobo ede ma Argentina national team no anye papa bia openi no 7 matches pe ana otumi boy e wo ne international level de ma Argentina na chese ball no de onimbo na emu eba no coaching dia oya de papa enti 2017 pa openi be so 2018 as an interim obabe wremwa 2019 obaye runners up edema Copa America 2021 obabe J anani wasansu wremu ewo World Cup final na chese ne modern de ekonkan yi papa enti wo hwe nim se ne bibia laka e follow no oba no nyoma konkan players ne mpo collectively o hwe nim se wombetu akoso aye adwuma ama nyoma etumi akonkan na ene victory nso no etumi aye womode eno ne nsem a Lionel Scaloni enso etumi ede tugwa Christian Romero a player okakoshia Hugo Lloris ono so ne openi e friend Scaloni ekokasai no no so there to guys oh Lloris or you super player pa goalkeeper pa ne modern boy kon kind Hugo Lloris untumi nkan ba ku mienu enyi Hugo Lloris enfrim ne mum wo mo hwe nim se wo mo so ebetumi ewi ni game no na bibia etumi akonkan ti o patch de se fans ni nyina embeta wo machi na nkunimdie enso ebetumi aye wo mo de amanioma etumi akonkan kama eno ne nsema ono so ede etugwa yenremu ewo 3rd and 4th place and also Basso Walid Regragio and so your manager Edema Morocco the Atlas Lions na no den sama to go say wo mo hwe nim say wo mo nya a successful tournament pa na mo dream any wo mo aim any wo mo aspirations wo mo hwe nim say bibia e ma nipa konkan bia no wo mo consider is anka wo call the grand finale for the first time na no ma etumi akonkan entumi anso aba na mo betumi nya trophy bi e de aba fie title bi plaque bi e de aba fie pa e kire say wo ma bo World Cup na boni ya e bronze medal no enti wo mo hwe nim say wo mo ni Croatia wo mo draw in the same group wo mo ebo 0-0 this time round hwe nim say wo mo betumi nya qualification no and I say bronze medal no at the end of the 90 minutes na nyoma etumi akonkan na wo mo de trophy na ba be piemu e wo Africa na nyoma enso aye kama eno no nsema opani no e de atuga Dalic enso say ene wo mo komu Croatia wo ma ye juma papa anka 4 years back wako finals de na nko hwe nim sa afi no obetumi awini nti yi no e retrogression ana ne opani no etumi aye kire say team no ambo no homaden ono de ohwa woma ya dede nanso no etisanka womo XCD sedia womo modern bono ebetu yakono na 3rd and 4th de munye na mmom beje bronze no e de apepa womo supporters nyina ani ase ne suo ene ne nsem opani no enso na de aka ye de nyina eba 3 p.m. sharp Okoman Radio 97.1 Hot Oven Ofla Okoman Yanko Kata 2022 you did live commentary no and so ebe on your dial Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook you be streaming live Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube so no live commentary no etwegu kama na bibia so no etumi ai kama 3 p.m. sharp ana yetena se ne yedi game we so no etumi ede aba kick off time no 3 p.m. inti ayire so 2:30 2:45 na ya thana se ne yedi pense mu anwodo na enso etumi ede aba aba na bibia nso retumi aye kama players a ne yenhwe players a uremu ewo news kakra eno nso epa ekame aisa brantia ye frɛ no Marcelo Brozovic anhwe ya na ne game no wentumi anstart saa so ana Josko Vardiol ono nso enya injury dia Lionel Messi di yenu ubenya injury ke ama nyoma etumi akonkan anhwe a ono nso ye player ontumi anstart Juranovic ono nso ya brantia wenya injury game we no enya ade obetumi abo even in their semi-finals no wo mo kira no onye full fit into a game no enya ade obetumi abo eho Morocco aso ye no uremu eho a Roman Sayes eya abrantia enya ade game we no obetumi abo bi kra Roman Sayes ontumi embobi abrantia friend no Agued only said the last 2 games ono nso ntumi embobi ana Mazraoui in their semi-finals no ono nso etumi enya knock kakra yeyi ni film e de atiat etumi by ansha na wo mu nyina entumi ambobi game ne baso ewo Khalifa International Stadium ewo Doha Kromo Ajasim enso eye referee mpanifo apa no so nkogina mu no nto ayerem na enuoma nso no entumi enkonkan se kama ochenada France any Argentina ana airport na uhremu ewo France any Argentina uhremu a abrantie friend no Papu Gomez wenya injury kakra ankle injury etumi aka no nti game no enya ade obetumi aya available enso etumi esia kan sanso ana uhremu a Karim Mustafa Benzema nti ana eba ene so opani no ka kopiemu pie de obetumi akwa kopiemu ba game no pa se scored ne de enya ade obetumi abo uhremu etumi esia kan ama nyoma nso no etumi akonkan kama nti Karim Mustafa Benzema still ono so enya available Lucas Hernandez enya de ono nso etumi recover eto a tournament and so after so mo first game ono nso etumi enya injury e wo honom no wo mo nso enya available players a ene wo mo hwe nim se yare ubehwemu a Adrien Radio ene Dayo Upamecano wo mo semi final game no against Morocco wo mo entumi ambobi ni nyina ne se fluid bi atiesi wo mo camp womu hotel ho free bi atiesi wa players ni bi enyinya bia latest players a womu so etumi enya sa ya ribi a womu anhwe ya womu ntumi ensi akan no Kingsley Coman abrantia de frɛ no Ibrahima Konate a ono ni be hye Upamecano anan no ono so ko ya jubilation no a wakwa konya free ni bi nti anhwa no ono so etumi ensi akan Oyelem Chouamini abrantia ono so wenya no kakra but ono so no fluid ni bi ne nemu a wo mu ehwe ni ma impenifo de atutugwa Rafael Varane fluid ni bi akeren Rafael Varane oni Ibrahima Konate nyina wo mu se wo mu wie no wo hwese dia celebration no course a nsɛm a ifiri wo ba no ɛkyɛ celebration na wo mo kɔyɛ ɛwɔ dressing room bebrebe no anama field ni bi etumi akyekere sa players we nyina ne mom Dayo Upamecano ɛne Adrien Rabiot a wo mo anya available ɛwɔ semi finals ni mu no wo mo ho ato wo mo de wo mo aba nti wo mo kɔ no a wo mo aba no na ene Oyelem Chouamini ene Rafael Varane ene Ibrahima Konate this time wo mo na ye latest players a wo mo so nya fluid ni bi enti opani a ye friend ni de champ wo mo ko bisa no so doctors ni guso nti ye fluid na wenya ye be wo mpane a mekunkum niama ni bia ne mo manya de a wo mo be force any injury player ana unfit player bia de na bo eni nti na ye be hwemu a Upamecano ene Adrien Rabiot na ye tough game pa against Morocco na so no enya de a wo mo de wo mo ben squad ne kra enti saa na player bia ohu aka no wo mo de hwe nim se wo mo de ba begina ko brama so wo mo players 26 players and a work camp enti wo mo hwe nim se bibia ebetumi akonkan kama eji ene nsem kakra eno so yabobo ano edi efia mono ne a jade ne nyina enso ede eba besi yeba na yeba behwe ensem a ebetumi akoso enso ofie discussions no say na tie yeba sha ase edi efi countries a wo mo submit wo mo bid anase krata de akose wo mo hwenim se wo betumi hosti 2025 yan hwenim se countries a wo mo ye well prepared se wo betumi hosti no yeba bedi ho nkomo abadwafo ewa ha kama wo mo be pense mu Nigeria Benin collabo wo mo be ye Morocco eba soli Algeria South Africa Senegal Gambia wo mo nyina hwenim se wo betumi hosti 2025 AFCON no ye bowie ewo 2023 2024 ewo Ivory Coast the following year pepepe na eno so baso ye beba behwe ehun sem kakra ye hwia ye behwe World Cup nim ene third and fourth no ebekoden ye ba behwe ni nyina jeni ni nyina kama na ye buewremu ewo the grand finale a baso ebusuafo aye nyoma papa egu a wo mo ye well prepared a wo mo de yembe kom Ye pa tournament no nyina since I start ya ye di wie no won bekum papa ama ye the overview of everything etumi transpire so far as 2022 Qatar World Cup and so eye consent ye de nyina and so eba na ye ahwe mu ye pa vividly na bibie tumi ai kama ye beba fie na ye ba behwe Juada ya Ghana Bet Power Premier League no chassis Bet Power Premier League no chassis ye ba behwe said the nyoma ebetumi akonkan ye be wuremu glorious impressive Accra House of Folk report out on eba and players are egugu players we no mo anhwe ya January transfer ya ye bie ya no players we nyina ebetumi free House of Folk Yasan Ochin striker wo mkofa ne bai anhwe abrante no enyoma nkonkan enye Yasan Ochin anhwe January House of Folk be bribi e de aya abrante no sanso ana Junior Kaba enyoma enfa Junior Kaba anhwe ya Junior Kaba so no January ya wenum ya players wo mu nyina has betumi eja wo kwan abrante friend Muhammad Alasan obekai papa ye friend Matic manager ibai no was starting 2 games be no kra no on trust no ana abrante friend Mu Alasan ankasa no issue even before e be start season no na wenum say o terminate the contract issue need internally wo ho nti said you nyoma kon Mu Alasan anhwa wo no so no ontumi ento aso House of Folk January ono so betumi ebu na ketem di aben pa nti enya ade ye problem bia Captain Fatau Muhammad on the Quebec say wa che kra Fatau Muhammad wa che team ni mu 4 players we players womo ni team no eni contract issue bia na mom womo modimbo but abrante friend Mu Alasan issue wo ho de dade na nyina ye ba be start season ye discuss no ho nsem wa ha san ko nto aso issue wo ho de taw ana binum so no modembo especially foreigners no Junior Kaba ene Yachin wo mu se mo meye Mbella ni itu gadi bi mo bae nti ye ba be hwe e free ye ban ye ne contract no ye bedo mu esuko ahwe mu nsem opani no ene nyaho temakro oyo opani ka se pa wo House of Football so de aba tuga se opani no oyaye nyoma bia entwe ye ungrateful and sa word ungrateful no me busuafo bekom obekom pa na o ma hwe se boys supporters ni bi including board members impanifo a wo mukuta team no use the ungrateful word no me de personally meninje ho nti ye beba behwe atuso opani no ebe extending the contract ana so obekọ no ye ba behwe mu nsem ye behia no as chan ye ba bekọ chan yi ni importance edema team no ehu behia se ni nti no ye betumi ama opani be ye bi a 1 month contract there because football ndi bibia wo January nso ye bie nti ye 1 year bi ne the clauses ahyehyem se opani wu sen ya club buy a wutumi kwa ye nhwe se no so no how well ana ebetumi akọ ewo between Banye and the glorious impressive Accra House of Folk na nyoma nso no etumi ai kama host of other teams are women so prepare and we remu ewo Bet Power ye the November player of the month netumi aba ye the aba papa Krobea Asante ewom adwa player ba ko a o brekum Chelsea owum papa ye ba behwe sa nyoma ni nyina ewo ho mema bedwafo akwaba na enkomotwetwe no entumi enhye ase ewo ho adwa mamisha ase mfemfi ho bibia e fine
bibia boko Krobea bibia
boko na okay
onyame adom ahonde wo
ho mehye na mehye yes
ase ebi mu hye tuntum
yes
ebi mu hye kokko
me de enhye dan ye tuntum
ni sase ni bre Saturday
ntino
yes obi eni abre
okay bibia e fine
nyame adom
pa
there's life, there's hope.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, ene mommy birthday.
Yes.
Mommy birthday. Madam.
Sichupe.
Seche. Sichupe.
Seche. The surname is Seche.
Okay.
The first name is Sichupe. Sichupe means refuge.
Okay.
Yes, seeking refuge like before the. Me media honam crass and God has delivered me.
Yes. Oh, it's Madam Sichope Seche. It is Stoneboy no more than Setekla Seche. Okay. Intino.
Happy birthday to my mom. She's been the backbone in the family. Yeah.
Great woman.
Oh, teacher.
Very beautiful woman.
No, I saw you more. I'm the only baby girl to like 3 boys. I wish her all the best.
Very beautiful woman.
On Tinasina, triplet number no. Me here no. Long life.
Wako pension.
Trip. Oh yes, or pension.
Oh, it's just a 60 plus woman. No.
Aye.
Wow.
60 plus or 70. Very soon I'll invite you to the 70th.
Wow.
60 plus.
Say Adrian Edidimo. Say Didino Didi. Oh, mommy.
I wish her all the best.
Great.
Long life. Nah, remember after World Cup, no, me the neighbor call baby kakra. Now I jineni. Uma metiasia treat her well. We last school bukra fama no nundi. Because it's so sad if you don't have a mom. And it's not easy. You'll be some mom or you are. Auntie, I wish her all the best. My siblings and I, I wish we wish her a happy birthday and long life.
Great. And happy birthday, Kasiepa. And confirm Madam Sichope. Madam.
Oh, why are you?
Sichope.
Why you didn't you fa?
Oh, now
I don't like big girl.
Me nam gane me 500.
We are Igbeni.
Me 500.
Are you kidding me?
Oh. No. Solo. Bibia is fine.
Over the atom.
Bibia is fine. Sichope. Sichope. No. Bibia is fine.
Bibia boko pa Krobea.
O da ye.
Yes. Da ye. Na Bibia so ye. Weekend winti Bibia boko.
Great.
Osmo girl so no be hu na ni mu. Be hu na ni mu ne.
Ano obane ne beba.
Akono bia be hu na ni mu ne. Right.
Great.
But young wish I drama me happy birthday.
Great woman na many agent on pa because you see said ya of Rajwa ne kasa na muze. He cares so much.
Yeah.
She cares so much.
So much. I was
she cares so much.
Baby or
yes.
So when you create your warriors still now.
Yes.
I was all join on. So to some
heavy woman.
Oh yeah, baby, when you do near home friend, that's the maba wa bremu dia na adwa akremba.
Ma media hu hia. Nti ye se ye hwe wo mu ye.
Happy birthday, Okoman.
Ene be din komo pa. Nsam no do so pa nti no ebre nso wo ho ma yen pa. Okay.
Krobea.
Na utuntum yi.
Say ene you know very ma Adam for MBBA Mr. Ernest Jao. Yes. I don't know ya poku I don't know friend captain and a major. I know president and a leader of the sailors group. And other formings in just say it will be say any braba you know cause we kopone kwa pemti no aka do mfone adofo nyina no say e ba na yekojam yenu aberma ya opoku Ernest they don't have friend captain no as me sorry wa ha
nti wa fa kwansa na oba ha
oh am fa wa no pay but me sorry ya na me sheda akona
ube jumanti wa
esa otiase
nti uwie dia nene
bishima
se nipa ye bia no
nipa be ana mbotuja se na mbotuja ntino mbotuja na
nti se nipa bia ye de ene se nipa ye
nti mutuja na me so no utuja ya se metuja wo ho
okay ntino ye be ma sales group ni nyina
ye ma sales group ni yakọ na me we se ajoane ma me on the mommy
mommy
so that side of mommy I wish mommy a happy birthday na sana you can close to her 70s and just said never ba brumu no na obe how adwene pa you know
no one feel
no one feel I say I will for one so near also say you know I do so near because you know I wish mommy I also then Sichope
Sichope
happy birthday. Nyankopon shon papa Now yeah, like I say, Inshano on. I'm for being count. You pay 97.1. Yeah, we're 100 and beyond. Yeah, it's my celebrating on Papa and say happy birthday and confirm mommy.
Great. And no. Yebabe shen komodidi na so ba yebesha see the Africa 2025 AFCON base various national teams, and as nations, are sending in to CAF, yebeba be share emunsem kakra ansana yeba be share World Cup ni free World Cup na so ya na yeba be share efisem na ni oma to me I come away ni the three major subjects and as topics and as someone yeba be share ne anope ewa ha obetumi e the WhatsApp text message etumi e dia ba WhatsApp text message obetumi e dia ba sanso ana SMS text message obetumi e dia ba 0551 667755 0551 667755 yabeje brene yakenkan ejama kama sanso na Facebook ubiemu Okoman Radio 97.1 na wo third and fourth teams are womo bono Atlas Lions of Morocco Africa women Europeans Croatia and airborne and 3 p.m. sharp Okoman here the live commentary and say to media about why and no winning bronze medal no Fabra na nyoma enkonkan why and a winning golden glove goalkeepers are would on Livakovic Dominic usia kind de Croatia sanso na Yasini Bono onusu sia kind edema Morocco Emiliano Martinez onusu dago edema Argentina ana efenso no Livakovic only wo Croatia ana France Hugo Lloris best goalkeeper de mahwan young player of the tournament de mahwan last edition no Kylian Mbappe Lotin this time round on Messi and Antoine Griezmann Lionel Messi Antoine Griezmann and Kylian Mbappe Lotin these are 3 players one more vie for the player of the tournament why ana ususu say obewini golden shoe and I say yes golden shoe no why and a winning go kino Lionel Messi 5 goals 3 assists e ko wie say ya dia na che so na waje Kylian Mbappe Lotin 5 goals with 2 assists e ko wie ni say ya no beto so mienu Olivier Giroud and Julian Alvarez editim with 4 goals each why ana e wini the top scorer chart golden glove no why na eji ni nyina obetumi ade aba Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook or text message 0551 667755 and WhatsApp nyina e kasi meduni asore so a obefre enso ade aba na ni o man so etumi aye kama menja se ho countries ana medi wo mudin atutu gwa no these are countries wo mo hwe nim se wo mo betumi anya hosting right yebremu the year 2025 for African Cup of Nations Nigeria hwe nim so ne Benin ebe collabo ana Morocco Algeria South Africa Senegal Zambia wo mo na eko
well Krobea
5 minutes
all right yenchia Okoman for an opinion on my journey live on Facebook on okwa na wala like page na wa share na fin so agent channel Oriato area bana ene no so na ye Krobea sorry abesisa sakra bi call us and I say to mom to official song of the World Cup and until we about 2 year na chede ho and so no at the mountain amount for so and so yemremu awe ne 2025 AFCON amount for a bid and then last day we are mine up and say ode host 2025 AFCON or don't krata sem about to a Confederation of African Football CAF for and in submitting the bid in Krobea I say unda niama be ready say in terms of facilities which my check out for say empire de akwenya na ma na ma akwenya say 2025 AFCON no gisi usire so akadia onso do be den Urban AFCON in terms of facilities various stadia yerebo AFCON sanso na hotels afin so provide security details cap and afin economy no nyina no so to me mark out for this is our current economic situation our mine when nya ya there so mark out for den and so no to me where league league no nyina no and also no betumi e dey check out say league ya born in the last 5 or 4 seasons no your leagues no say na tie sika ewo mu nie. These are the teams that ultimately winning league and even going into African Champions League and Confederations League, the teams quite almost stage almost eduno and so these are some of the things that when you are bidding for AFCON and also need for and take it into consideration, especially where economy sounds like infrastructure and our things and security. These are the main things that I have for heading. And Krobea Asante every bid in Ecuador so far about things on my bid for the 2025 AFCON. Benin, Nigeria, Morocco, any other countries and so Senegal, Zambia. And with Benin and Nigeria, I think some co-host and a co-hosting in 2025. But Maya, I didn't want to see what purpose or Senegal, any Morocco, any Zambia. I'm gonna know my job. Algeria. Benin, to me, I think I'll take Benin out. But in terms of infrastructure, Benin in other countries, Let's look at our economy, Benin economy over the last 3 years, as of in terms of after COVID and almost suffer in during the COVID and we show my economy na GDP and strong any idea. So I'll take Benin out. Zambia. Yes, in terms of football, Zambia winning the AFCON in 2012. To me, in terms of football, in terms of African football, to me also, which players are Zambia to me producing in the last 8 years on the African continent. I think say Zambia also. In their league, they are doing well. About the CAF Champions League, Zambia is also really doing well. And also, but let's look at infrastructure. Yes, over in the last 5 years, somebody to me, I built 2 new stadia in the country. It's a choice almost no. But how are they going to contain these African countries that qualify area security-wise, hotels, any the economic challenge almost facing during the COVID era? International. So I'll also take Zambia out. Krobea, Senegal. Yes, Mr. Senegal are African champions. Yes. And the last AFCON, your boy, and African champions. And when it comes to players at Senegal, so I'm for people who love to go to Senegal and watch this crop of players. But Krobea, the excitement at Senegal about during the 2025 AFCON, I don't see Senegal. Yes, in terms of their wildlife, the nature. I'm for person their wildlife. Yes, in terms of tourism, no to me any new exposure and so but Krobea once again. Mukase we've been travel all the way and go Senegal and go AFCON. That excitement and I said that any anywhere. It will put Omaya to me because you're forbidding him more. Omaya currently are well prepared to me. I would say Morocco. Yes, Algeria various infrastructures are super. But if Morocco currently building at least about 5 stadia. Already they have the likes of Rabat Stadium, Marrakesh Stadium, Stadium, using a year. In the last 5 years or so, I remember one Club World Cup. When Bayern Munich to Champions League, hosti Club World Cup Morocco and on team I think the grand finale or so between FC Bayern. And so this tells you say almost on well prepared. The likes of Wydad Casablanca, the likes of Raja Casablanca, more teams are airborne on a higher stage. Club World Cup, Bebuda, about the CAF Champions, Omaji. It's FIFA will take those into consideration in terms of facilities. CAF, sorry, I will take it into consideration in terms of facilities, security, and the economy. It tells you say Morocco and else. So no wonder say FIFA the Club World Cup ever born. Is it 2025? Yes, Club World Cup. You ever born 2025? No, I don't. Afia come ball. Yes, on the ball. And in 2025, I hear 32 countries. Definitely Morocco would love to host that Club World Cup also. It's just say Morocco, your Maya on the world stage. While establishing who ye, I'm a mining and to me, Krobea and was a calf. Edinburgh mom, the hosting right 2025. Edinburgh as an appreciation Say in the 2022 FIFA World Cup, boy, no, omutimi could do stage where in your mind, do it is a bomb about as an African continent. For the 2025 FIFA and as a calf AFCON and find no mass same raise African flag, at that bigger stage. And Krobea not say World Cup in India, but in terms of facilities. And that's what I'm saying. If it's almost stadium for stadiums are war, they can host.
From 2014, for World Cup.
Yes.
The last 3 editions.
Last year, almost be in the World Cup. They will. That's what the other I was telling I just African country will be to host the World Cup. Aside South Africa will host it, and Morocco will be to host the World Cup. And you know, to me, okay, say 2025 AFCON. Or my obitima hosting an IFNI da. I think say Morocco, and all of us would love to be in Morocco to go and watch the 2025 AFCON. It's Sabe Caf and for bidding and for man hosting right now and for Morocco.
But one will be facing challenges cry free South Africa. Because South Africa, you won't say one monod woman here any other.
Yeah, Krobea with South Africa after the 2010 World Cup. Once the 2010 AFCON Angola and host here, and South Africa hosted the World Cup. Yeah. After 2010 World Cup, I think there was this country and also hosted the 2012 AFCON. But now South Africa came in. Yes, I could again. South Africa came in and host here. And you know, over the last 10 editions, South Africa were hosted with that. South Africa, but the South America, Morocco, developing the game. And then last Senegal from 2014, and Minanga said developing their football and said developing to a different stage altogether. Over Africa, on to me for my football, might be a football and fan compare Morocco level and in terms of investing money into their league, investing money into their national teams. And look at them this time around in 2022 FIFA World Cup, baby, Africa and the South American form of appreciation. Morocco. In the next World Cup 2026, after 2026 World Cup, and making me a point, Edusu announce why you're there. That's what I'm saying. Is that even aside a year World Cup and this stage, yeah, there are no crowd to in terms of facilities. There's no country in Africa where I can say, that facilities, as saying Morocco. And even look at their league, look at their teams, baby, Ecobo Club World Cup. That's what I say. And it tells you, say, Morocco, that Ahwadena, or the be hostess, AFCON here the moment who's no hosting in 2025. I think it's after 2026 World Cup, but the next World Cup, Morocco be and I think say and also be to my boy a moment when I say to host the next World Cup after 2026.
All right, and see, Anna AK, and so to go on amongst these nations, talking of Nigeria and Benin, where you were with him, Algeria, South Africa, Senegal, Zambia, woman with Shomogu, also on the Morocco. Or Juma Wamayan woman appreciation from CAF any baby because FIFA crown pono who said was a yambo mabaso near bo Madrid a qualified for Champions League winning now you be World Club Cup and idea and was a yambo February 1st year you started tournament to know Morocco. It is a FIFA cry and he said yeah then you want in a CAF until you are not ready Morocco or also appreciation and coso and fama by say I be down so yeah, how you be that or no so wha ana we twa no ho a edin pa solo ana mamen ko ejo yes mamen ko adwa wona yem blend voices no adwa
Krobea ami cheti fubio
na she hono mame yen hwe hono kakra
Osi, I'm appreciating Morocco. No. I'm building a point. No, my problem is if you fit it, fine. Say I no more can almost say Messi bra Brent or young winning World Cup. No, we don't talk like that. You don't have to. If the person deserves it, fine. And yes, sir. Morocco could do semi-finals and why are we look you know some Morocco are building up in the football.
Yes, you come on that. You also have your time to analyze the situation as to why this nation deserves it more than this. You will come then we discuss it. Why?
I come my point. So Oh yes, so about me point I'm making. I will come in. Don't know. Making a point. My comment is also counting. I don't smooth discussion.
Yes,
you know. I'm making a point. Into I know when cars on the main yard, and on the main at the end of the show. I'm making a point. I know to make no more Obemudia.
From the look of Amaya and the woman Akwaku Pimu, I looking likely no. Yes, Benin in Nigeria.
Senegal, Benin, Nigeria.
Yes, and Zambia.
South Africa,
Morocco, Algeria.
But him, ya. So my gun in him. Ya. Me fa Legon, they be me who sports stadium never ho. And I make us say ya because I mean look at Benin. I'm not saying Benin is not a country, but when you talk of football, Ghana should be amongst a crowd or someone to host the tournament. But look at where we are. We're having fighting over stadium. Anyway, yes, South Africa are hosting World Cup da. So let's say they have all the facilities. And when we talk of Morocco, Morocco, they've been impressive. Say football is not developing no. From their women's league, Bibia, they've done it. Problem I want to say, whoever the country who are facilities, now are developing a year. And if you can host it, talking of the hospitality industry, the hotels and stuff, so what why not? You can host it. But no country should be given because ABI you've branded your football well. Into baby away Druno and anama way to Juma away until they have to give it to you like some plus. That is what I am not getting. And if you deserve it, fine. And yes, about homoding and they have to give it to you. Amount for say Messi. This is his last way. They should give it to Messi. Now, if this is your last tournament, now see
you will come on.
You need to fight for
on
it.
The games.
No, I'm just citing examples. And see, Krobea, Obama Ekatias, yes, say, or Casano Mambim,
or floor.
Now, no pay. Fashion say, or Mambim. You should stop heckling me this morning.
Let's go.
And see, if for Senegal. And for Senegal, say Senegal come.
Yes.
Senegal, yes, they are the champions of Africa. But again, if they have the infrastructure, the necessary way, and they can host it there, fine. Senegal too are African champions. Almost all my bida. So if the saying goes, say they should be appreciated or whatever, I think Senegal too should be appreciated. But if you have the facilities there, to me the amom. When you not say as a nation, also football no, and bibia, or say ye. It's sad again. Semi Ghana embim. Yan she near me. A band hotels the Ghana there you will be. But just the football industry, no. And yen to me she say near me ye. And away you know so it opens up so many things. You have tourists coming to the country. Things go on, businesses and stuff. All those things. It's not only the football we look at. You look at other investment that will come in the country. And I think say me I'm as an African there of course and as a Ghanaian I would always talk to that point of view. I think Ghana we have to wake up because you can't be naming all these countries. Benin and Co are part of it and there is no Ghana in there. And they have to do their things well. The stadium they are building or whatever they have to try and quickly. When you know government interventions, government also this and say football. More to me sorry any government have to come in. Government now can also say host tournament a benefit government now. And yeah, Katana stadiums no me see baby near car baby. I'm sure they use it for other stuff. Baby cry the other or mine. And I think as a Ghanaian if you look at all these things, now said that chibi ube unyama to host this we are beboa. And for me I think whoever, I'm not tipping any country, whoever deserves it, whoever has the facilities, and we will look at why you be that aspect, and within the country on say Qatar rules and regulations. I'm sure now whoever hosts any tournament, they have to look at those kind of rules and regulations. Say acronym, say, so that it wouldn't cause death and stuff. It wouldn't cause all those things. And if you look at all those things, then whoever deem fit, na appreciation mfiti ye be appreciate obi a wa ha Ghana ye appreciation dodo I am Monsesa Krobea.
Okay, and to you no who shemwa anka wo preferred country say ye be bo AFCON.
Whoever
said ye ba be bo World Cup ya na ebi susu say countries ni nyina obi a fight say anka nko krobi so ne ade no.
Krobi so and krobi so e be am culture. Yeah, I think this is the first time we are tasting
so
that kind of
considering Sanyo Mani.
Also consider Sanyo Mani na.
And to see ano anyifa na nka wunya ya na nka ye bo AFCON 2025.
Whoever, and I'm saying, whoever has the facilities, which is the hotels and co, the pitches,
yes,
media infrastructure, and another thing, you look at the culture background, and Kronima Joanna, Bibisa. That's what I'm looking. I'm not tipping anybody.
Okay.
If you fit,
okay.
To say Ukowaike, Maki, Munya pass mark now, Menya air, no
sure.
problem.
Okay.
And yes, sir, we are minister ba. Into I appreciate you.
Oh, okay.
So I was say.
Okay. All right, and no, and yes, we minister ba say yeah say. Una wa the Kofi Adjuma black man Eddie free Eneno pig farm in Accra. Eddie about good morning, watching you live. Yate ono so the message about Facebook. Sanso Anna Moro Hamza ono so about I'm watching you live from Cantonment prisons. Yeah. Okay, barracks block. Okay. Cantonment prisons barracks blocks. Okay. Hona unzu di Moro Hamza yanso yeda was Starboy they about watching the show live and Claire at Ahafumim Airport Okoman Radio Sports no size today because Morocco is going to dismantle Croatia by 3-0. Greetings to Yasma Ujibobuatin Tactics man and my lovely father. No joke. Also yeda was Saudi messaging so no to me afa Facebook and so ediaba WhatsApp no be to me diaba 0551 667755 0551 667755 solo
Krobea Asante minchia etiefo ene anope wo ejumedi no so na fi omo amohwe yen enso wo Facebook hosting right na there adwani eke aka bebre de afa ho ensane ya ina yeni wede afa hosting right on na say country be host tournament en fa ho ne continent kro ana say country no kro no ni hia ne se kro no asundwe egwom one kro no ewa facilities no stadiums ne correct a yebetumi abobo na ewo so ombenya hotels teams neba omo ebeda kromu ho enso ye kama asundwe ho facilities no ho bibia ekoso kama afei eba ne say tournament ne ye de ko ho no mo a marketing wise no ebekwasen because ema ye you envise FIFA organize tournament organize so obenya sika CAF organize tournament organize so obenya sika and even individual kra organize program bia na or show any mu say program ahoye mi sika say na me de ewura mu and mi wie program na sika say na me nya de afrim enti marketing wise no so ebekwasen ni na ya de e ka ho and per countries ama be de for no Nigeria and Benin joint hosts and no Nigeria your man be also or a powerhouse of African football but so on Benin bomono Benin ebano facilities na me to me akwese Ghana there Benin akwese Ghana
but currently Benin are ahead of Ghana in terms of
facilities.
Yes, currently
but maybe
proper pitches will be used.
Yes,
stadium the one winning.
But besides also mind one sort of say, I don't say one thing.
With Nigeria, last 3 years, nearby security wise, who are sorry, then people be attacking people. So in terms of security,
my for I saw them there. And to me, the mutuality, me 3 countries. So Morocco, Algeria, and Algeria ever be hosting Chan tournament. Chan tournament, and also the same as AFCON. Those local based players on Kwana ever be that tournament, you know. And so Algeria between hosting China. Not just why are you ready say between hosting 2025 AFCON. And to me, they mean Algeria, South Africa, Morocco. So 3 countries way. CAF and Shebako. South Africa a host be actually am a young as a host we are seeing in idea in terms of facilities no South Africa marketing wise so car for some tournament no ho mo am for bepu akọ share because South Africa corona nkasa no emu yefe nioma bebre ho no ma akọ betumi akọ share in terms of tourism. Oh yes.
Yeah, but South Africa almost security issues. Those xenophobia things, yes, almost South Africa issues.
In the Obia will be Africa.
But Krobea, compare on said.
When
I showed the recent years.
When it's football, Sanyo Mano sometimes it doesn't come in much because unless it's
yeah, Krobea, Osha South Africa.
But then yes, I bet him.
Osha Krobea, South Africa, Diana. In recent, I have almost recent years. Nigeria. This year,
Nigeria, they are happy.
South Africa this year, this xenophobia things and South Africa because on your South Africa, people will be attacking you, and at the amount no more kumkrofo. So I think that your brand security aspect there. Me, I'll take South Africa, Nigeria, Benin out in terms of security.
But say Nina and also Morocco stand tall. Nina hemono. So also country emojo. Country tourism yes this time around Morocco apeja ekosoro country ban of facilities in terms of say ye be bobo no hotel some sports stadiums ahoro ni na no Morocco stand tall and me there 3 countries Algeria, South Africa, Morocco, and the stand tall say cover from Femano no Morocco.
Okay, no pa just say him say Morocco and so Algeria, South Africa and so no the obia one de be mani bia ekedio se chenchena 2025 the Morocco krum pa de 2025 obekọ and ofri oba ya no de nani a kire Canada o se World Cup no 2026 oba ya Canada ono konko US je say Black Stars wo match bi wo ho no ne ade dia and obekọ akọhwa baba kru a obetena so no de Canada ba ko pe ti afido wo tournament ne ade kop intino doso pa yeye wo yembra na yentinsimu tournament for the past weeks ya JC yensre so a hot ovin of Okoman yenko kata 2022 ya de yehu agem papa op one media house a wa JC ni sre so ye pa ye Okoman untumi nka ba ko inyi yemfim intino yembehwe game no so far weekend here enne no ochena na the tournament ni nyina entirely eba ne wiye ye de ni nyina eba ne wiye so far yenya 3 journalists womawu 3 journalists wongewu ewo tournament we mu so you compare you contrast ewo the previous tournament ayenga call with regards to issues with and as a nyoma ekoso dev issues ni sa nyoma ni nyina things eno so betumi aboa na yenga adjust ahihye nyoma mu ni yehu se de nyoma call 3 journalists ana wo matumi ewu ewo honoma eno so enye asem de kra ewo ho tournament ayanga abo okubia nsiye na emomu no journalists na amase na wowu fast so ye nimu de no so efri oba but yenya a very tournament akoso ye come from the group stages na aba bedruga yenya I think aboni bia yenya issues bia aba bevremu ewa ha 10 minutes yenhwe tournament no a use 10 minutes no a de ahwa aba bewura ne game ni mu ene ochena da game ni nyina 10 minutes
10 minutes okay Krobea, the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 yes I shall see November 20th in a fantastic opening ceremony and I'm for that particular ceremony one of the best opening ceremonies in the history of the FIFA World Cup. And even before the start of the tournament, and then the controversies are surrounding these years World Cup. I'm for any FIFA dream some of the tournament. It's me and Qatar, and even a day before the start of the tournament, with a certain FIFA president Gianni Infantino say, "Oh, Babo and saying." About Casa area for the tournament, the negativity and the positives are a tournament, and as a Qatar for ere eba anamode aba ni nyina no etumi etudwa. And that particular day, that 20th no me no nya enya akonya ehwe the colorful event na eno so no eswani papa enya Morgan Freeman mu nyina pass through the photo edema we ase afanan enyina ene unya kata president no so sound cautioned to the fans no more wedding bakata in terms of discipline and religious activities are moving their gone almost sound caution to the fans eba ni ensanu mu odidie mu ondamu any idea amene no amanfo bi ene katamano anya adwen barkata kata dia an Islamic country ntiabano omosoma omomfani agro LGBT oni yamani to just enya de omuhia awaye oman mu ntini nya yenhye omudi tudwa tournament ne shase kata ene Ecuador etimi boy kata elusu ti Ecuador by 2-0 na yenya a certain ena Valencia over the first goal eriama kata na eriama Ecuador na just pana tournament na anobeden kata na be your my edikan in the history of the FIFA World Cup otume lose as a host country. Yes, host country nation be anyone will lose in opening game. But kata be your my otume lose in opening game. And start ma the upsets in football no our tournament and I say a chance here. When Senegal now or now after playing a beautiful 85 minutes of football. Now in the Netherlands, AUSU experience now other Asian by 2-0 now Joa Munya because now Senegal are African champions or tournament in which me lose here. If you are by Ebenya upsets, no, yes. Saudi Arabia, Argentina, Asian 2-1 after Argentina, Eteki, early lead. Now, watch your goals now, 4 goals now, they're offside. Now, my phone is coming into the second half from Argentina. I bet Saudi Arabia, we say Woto. But Ankoban is the second half from a coach from Saudi Arabia, their head coach, and they didn't have a Renard. At 10 around Argentina 2-1. And I had the first upset na AC or the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 nima ama for because and the Okoman Zadia and the tournament in the ampa tournament in the more whereas Japan and so it me eche amani and so the Germany the 2014 air champions air send on also 2-1 it tells is another tournament no anobe din papa Ghana yesu kopie mu Krobea I say I'm for predict say anybody World Cup no opening game which I'm for predict say Ghana na be win World Cup but Uncle Banessa there were so many incidents across the World Cup anymore. Yeah, recorded the highest number of spectators in a stadium and it was Argentina game over 88,000 spectators trooping in to watch an Argentina match and Krobea sorry moments that's journalists EU ne other incidents ACA attacking for in their respective villages are normal so then the villages are baby on my bomb sesa omunya da normal the jom on attacks any other course so but then you security it may be mu be rescue san for nyina the match is a 2 Jano as upsets in the course so Japan scoring Spain bow out of the tournament against Morocco scoring Portugal any other Croatia mo which one games some boy and baby umbedu Belgium bound out of the tournament in the group phase near there and just na upsets na them also Brazil and I tapen is ubedu the grand finale of the World Cup no ifrimu abra Croatia share no ni exciting moment and upset also in a World Cup it's a Krobea in all I would say the hosting, the organization, security, infrastructure BBBia for me, you know, I would say Akosui, and if I'm to rate the hosting of Qatar FIFA World Cup, and Gianni Infantino FIFA president, I can say we are the best World Cup. To him, also the best World Cup because make I say obey FIFA president we need the second World Cup. You know, so to compare the Russia, then definitely Qatar better than Russia. In terms of publicity, any promotions, and even the matches are not bono to him. No, these 2 World Cups are also, you know, we never better seeing. You know, until so I say any the best World Cup on no I think that I'll agree with him because all the FIFA president it is no becano. Krobea. I'm sure in the game I'm unfortunately in room because I'm 10 minutes. And the third and fourth Morocco against Croatia. Croatia. They anticipate so made this particular stage. I don't know. So be TP Morocco, Croatia. So Babe do this particular stage, because we can see no defending champions in the last edition. But now you show Croatia more than more. Even in their first game of in the World Cup, no be expected to say Croatia Babe do the semi-finals of the FIFA World Cup. Looking at their opening game boy and the matches go boy in their group. No be anticipated Croatia Babe do. But Croatia qualifying out of their group, they were able to beat Japan, almost share Brazil. And then they almost to beat Argentina, Eshoma, almost to call the grand finale. And I think say Krobea Asante, the former players of Croatia, say, and I'm finals in 2018. But the women to call finals and they shouldn't be disappointed. No matter they supposed to do semi-finals because now movie you can't expect some baba. So I think say Croatia deserve say we do say semi-finals. Finals and then I mean who so beat Marco. It's more about so. But Morocco, yeah, tournament. We as Ghanaians, now we were hoping to the Black Stars of some of us. We were hoping to Black Stars of Ghana beat Marco and they are calling him. But Uncle Banessa and I open African country and I expected to be calling him further. In the tournament, it was Senegal. It wasn't Morocco. It was Senegal. Because Senegal more my ball AFCON. And then the crop of players of Mukra, all those Sadio Mane Efimu in the last minute. But now still I'm for GDS. And yet quarter-finals be there. Abra na Sadio Mane if anka Sadio Mane wo dey be semi-finals. But abra Sadio Mane if no yakas anya the quarter-finals be there. I was Senegal do. But anko Banessa a certain Morocco na any that so new. Yes, to me. Then that's so new because the issues are now caused the Moroccan national team. Few months to the tournament, no more coach. Bringing in coach and so the Walid Wagrari and which Walid on to me main can say a world experience coach because on the bigger stage he has won the CAF Champions League or he won the CAF Champions League with a wider club. Entina ube ya say okay ye pe coach de yakọ animu ya o de yemfa Walid enko na yenko mareba na yi kura na in the state of restructuring the Moroccan national team no on one eden be and Walid buy. Walid first game was against Croatia draw in the group are in Croatia, Denmark, Croatia, Canada and Belgium ewum. Now Walid etume any Croatia board draw the defending and I say the 2018 finalists on the board draw. Not also a promising World Cup winner to say Belgium. Looking at the players and Belgium Walid Asante 2-0 and against Denmark also Denmark. And he was the first country after Nigeria to top a World Cup group, Morocco. It tells you say now Morocco and Yabre from there. But now Krobea to reach the semi-final, I don't think anybody needed that one was as some qualify. But Ombesha spin in the round of 16. And he spin 120 minutes without conceding. Echo penalties. It to me SS spin or penalties. They came again to play against Portugal. And Portugal, ball 90 minutes, Portugal 1-0. And going into the game against France, yes, Africa were supporting Morocco so much France. But you see, the experience of France national team and the French national team, now Morocco and Morocco is an experienced team, but now more than the French national team because Olivier Giroud, a World Cup winner, Antoine Griezmann, Kylian Mbappe, Raphael Varane, Hugo Lloris, players are no matter World Cup, that experience, stage, I do in the semi-finals. And to me, now Morocco elusutu amayani din answer France na enseda enyemwa but the Krobea out say Morocco abom more than papa say ni to me I raise the African flag higher so much me do the round the semi-finals and then against Croatia Krobea I'm tipping Croatia I'm tipping Morocco to win against Croatia so be at the third place also be to Magina and Onyamshe about Morocco Maimu and Africa and Maimu I'm for making comments about Morocco saying that a certain player saying that victory then they are dedicating to the Arab board but to me I saw nothing wrong with that only statement the personal statement I want making and even the head coach of Morocco they say they are doing it for Africa so to me today I'll be tipping Morocco to win against Croatia and not in Africa. I mean, comment too much in a game analysis be here because to me this game where they are analysis but I'm hoping to Morocco beat my share and Croatia no akọ n'anim. So I can be 7 minutes on. I remember
Kasima ba akọ pe.
Oh,
Now maybe 26 or 25 near one.
And a match of my room, and I will be room. Search an hour.
Yeah.
The channel, they are now, you're sharing search in Argentina and France. A fantastic game. Fantastic game. It's such an hour, the audio, 1 minute, and I'm from Sulu. I'm fine, yeah, I'm from Majua.
Agents who I never want to know. Agent. All right, and no, AJ, so far, tournament, no, preparation, yeah, a kick off Ecuador against Qatar, the host nation. From then till now, the away our tournament in the morning, and the game and the China finals are here, Bono.
Yeah, it's been a great journey. Qatar 2024 no. 2022 no. And yeah, Fantino can I enjoy. Miss my enjoy especially with Okoman Radio. Madam Munyanase, it's been great working with you guys and the support. Bibiane, come. And see, yes, Qatar your Maya, Ike Akanina. So me can kasa omono. So they invested. What can you know about Qatar? I think they invested so much in the tournament, to keep everybody well. The various stadia, maybe Uncle Beda, when sena or mobile, or be found for airport crown or that arrangement was beautiful. We who's dressing our players, they buy our own Ghana Black Stars, the way they were dressed in the Ghanaian attire, na yefe. Your mama can Ghana chakra, na yefe. Kata who say we intimi and stand the tournament, and I'm sure say next time they'll invest more in the team. And US is Subai. US is they did well. Me, I was impressed with US is President Bayiswa Obebono. Or my idea, I mean, 2026, hosting on Bedru Baby. I was impressed with the Asian teams. So talk of Japan, to the big teams, the Germans and Spain, South Korea song. I'm sure they were looking for some of the go forward, but this tournament has showed or taught me, say, you need great coaches with tactical knowledge. You need great goalkeepers. Unibia don't even bother at all coming. And we saw the goalkeeping in the Croatian teams when they started the penalties. Portugal team and other even the Argentina teams, the goalkeeper no kakra. But me, Krobea Asante now can why no beji go we no. And yes, ebi mu Kofi Anka. Me the bema Croatia. We remember Croatia.
Dominic
Livakovic. Say we need the tournament trophy no.
Okay.
Me the bema no that young chap and a local goalkeeper.
Yes.
Or proving Nema Bebre to tell everybody say when you the local players so ba tournament and also they try to prove themselves and we all saw it on the board. Portugal goalkeeper and Bono also another
Morocco,
sorry, yeah.
Yeah,
Morocco goalkeeper, and also another great goalkeeper. Ghana Black Stars came also on board, but Anyeye, I'm sure next time they'll go and come. Ghana, we need a great coach. We need a tactical coach because there are fantastic players in the Ghana Black Stars. We just need a great coach to take us there. And Senegal being the African champions, so everybody so now there is Morocco. They're fighting for Africa. Your name. And I quickly go to a game Morocco versus Croatia. The two goalkeepers. Some are great goalkeepers. Into me, game a couple penalties. I'm perceiving who the two goalkeepers.
Yes,
in
terms of penalties,
yes,
they
almost show the whole tournament.
So far,
into me, perceive I can see no penalty mo. Yeah, and Konami Sanche.
Yeah, seen Bono Livakovic.
Sanche who the best is, but and yes, I mean, American car, Croatia young chap no far, and Krobea me the The next game, which is the grand finale, the Medican can say all of the teams, they are champions already because they have great players. And the other side to the same, they are the defending champions. And I'm just looking forward to a great game, which is the final game. On Bobo. And Mesu Meriti Katano. I'll give you 80 because of the death in a beam. You see, and I make us the subsequent hosting rights. You have to look at all these things. And I'm sure after I can see there'll be investigations. There'll be investigations. And another thing, so dear, nipa da sini ya so na ye den, ubo bi fie, or see me fie, drada, mindi fufu. Now I time bang. Anything can happen. It is I'm sure we'll look at all that. In Qatar, I'll give them 80 over 100. My idea, it's such a beautiful tournament.
Great. And I ajwa Nedia on also a World Cup tournament because Qatar so far. And then ochna and the hot oven of Okoman Yanko Qatar 2022 Jumedia shall say 20th of November. Aba be remwa ochna being the 18th of December and the tournament in Nina and so be to me aba ne wie yentini yeguso share and games and game and ochna game where be to me akoso the bronze medal and that of the gold medal no share teams are one way to me nya this medal so na dey akwaku piemu and so fie. Is it going to be Argentina wo mu wini wo third World Cup trophy and as France win one third World Cup trophy and as ebeye one back to back trophy one so to me agiana these two teams in to me win trophy no on two occasions into one mu hwe ni say one benya the third one e de aboa it won't be an easy game at all ebeye very nice I to me I enjoy it. You go so do BBS say and listeners especially one more aboy and check maybe a homana tum now so to me after 0551 667755 0551 667755 now so to me at wadwin solo share World Cup no mame kakra na fi yeba na sima kakra kanu ye wo barely 18 minutes na ya end show ni nyina Yo 28 minutes. Yes, time what 28 minutes na ya be fia ba be hwe nsem ni nyina ntino se wo betumi aye ne kakra mama because we say fie no nso no wo nsem wo fie aso fo kan nsem wo ho ya be ba be hwe ni nyina enti yanko
okay Krobea am da CBM World Cup we World Cup sika kom and o he katafo a omo kire say yes eba no footballer Yankai or mine can be way I'm first time omo happy FIFA tournament be a friend World Cup and so omo modern mono answer down konkai omo your first nation the first 3 games na olusu ye and so our tournament name na ofri mu and so akoye and obabe yes second hosting writer hoster one also no eba no group stage one also efri mu since 2010 Oman in South Africa omo efrimu that early stage no nanka yenya hosting team bia we efrimu that early stage no and Qatar na be second team and so honomo o hwe 220 billion US dollars estimated sika the euro tournament no and so compare no to last 4 years 2018 near course e Russia no na no estimated price no 14.2 billion US dollars and then sika na omudi euro mu but o they compare Qatar the year 220 adia emuso pa sika no sheda ekomu yen facilities no so omudi year no that shows say yes am you ready for the tournament stadium air conditioning ade nyina no enso ebomudi na Qatar for no modern no adia was so crony sadie but omo yeromo ho ehwe ya ma bibia tumi akonka ye share game na se no ohwe countries no obi teams no performance omo yade na yade omo yade no etumi efremu a ene ya pemu a edi ababedu babia yedu ene ye bebo third and fourth place no na fi ochina grand finale no ene so ya boni ahwe ne ya wo be win yade a ye beka se Qatar for etumi ayade se football hu nhye dan nim na omo tumi host such a tournament no omo modern money ya dey kon kan asa da def new man tumi ekom de ye be ka say kata for ayade ene game no Croatia ene omo ya de Morocco no mu na e wo group F and omo ball mo first game omo boy you know ekwe 0-0 omo ball goalless e wo that game dem and omo san be shia e ni apre why never toss so emiensa compare two teams no performance our tournament mo make us say Morocco ye o man bia ne modern mono e ya there e kosoro and a surprise will be despite say Croatia started tournament no na omo okwanya mo faso e bobo ne na sheda emfade but almost so omo why qualify and so to me bedu semi-finals Morocco for the first time and so to me year no qualify bedu semi-finals e boy adwuma and so honoma and then also Croatia and omo modern mono make us say pe omo na modern mono e pe two coaches no in terms of tactics so omo tactics and makachiro say Morocco o man be on the field of play no omo tactical discipline e ba ne say ye mo ball no omo use coach instructions and the able game no the same thing applies to omo the Croatia we Croatia or born the ball no or born according to coach ne plan omo bo according to coach ne tactics or dey go akwem and so to me dey amo and then Croatia e we ni mu kakra esi Morocco in terms of World Cup experience and ban so say player to player compare Moroccan players no to Croatian players now you can say Croatia for no e we ni esi Morocco Uba Medforda, yes, Croatia for kita equally good players at the BIA come wasam. Some are one of the best midfielders our tournament in them and only best midfielders as well. You kita mo our tournament in them apart from Croatia, me who country the modern mono da konka in terms of say young boy your own check na yen so CD FMI my dear. And the game no a battle between two coaches no a tactical coaches me no and eba shia why na the tactics ebe ye adwuma sani adwa kan no the two goalkeepers no so akere Yasin Bono ye hu ne performance edema Morocco Dominic Livakovic ono so ye hu sani what a young chap and ye local based goalkeeper edema Croatia ye hu sani ono so wetie two goalkeepers no eba no open play saves no e ya there was so eba no penalty shootout omutumi save bi enso tumi de my country no and then niam betumi akosai Morocco e wo injury kakra and then ade bia e betumi affect one but so also push me up ni see against Morocco France no me won say bi message Morocco e be Europe ho e use some coach ne tactics individual brilliant players no e be use their body but me won say Croatia be use experience at the Ashe Morocco and Morocco me predict say on better so fourth Croatia better so third ochina game na dey time ninti no ochina ya transfer ye be komu na fe ye dey nkomo but game na ye easy game sa FM afani ni mi no ochina wo 2018 no mu shia ye round of 16 France Asia Argentina edino efremo ema France koso ekokoje tournament no this time around almost about Asia finals the last time Argentina Asia finals no 2014 Brazil and Oman they Germany Asian go to nothing Mario Götze and that go near the Germany this time around Argentina last tournament Lionel Messi and Swebo and to share him say you man bet me akoye e dia man bet me age trophy no and so to me but Argentina coach Lionel Scaloni or your coach bia game bia any planner or the come or approaching games with a plan and or share in the opponent how almost see a ball no sa game and also game plan and also share the tactics the formations and the make say coach ebesa sandiomem send you who against Netherlands or system one in defense and against Croatia or system one in midfield me when say ochina against France coach nebesa ya another change and obesa san no kakra obeye nioma afoforo and oche likely Sabrante and the Angel Di Maria ebetumi start Diama Omaya de Argentina, France, and so flew the code Qatar, Chrome Qatar, and Obinia Qatar, and I'm offended the agro, yes.
Rabione, Upamecano, one man boss and me finance.
Yes, I brought for the Omunfas and Yarian in the agro, but me share him says a place no be coming back because say be a game no e mo be say omo Rafa Varane and even Konate and also Pamecano back Kano ho e we chiro ho no mo center pair ho no mo that's Andre Rabiot and so fifu ho no ma Abranta in the end Aurelian Chouameni all tournament to any GD France Medford no GD but coach Didi Deschamps actually say yes also another coach in terms of tactics, in terms of say discipline, in terms of say yenshishen yoma engwa pono akwemono the mono so ya there also and what to me use that Medford way the ababedu finals since say otumi nya that players are odomo ball major matches no odomo boy no na nka omo ball finals na michidi say anke betumi aboa Osman Dembele, Abranta de Olivier Giroud, and Kylian Mbappe. Yes, Omo any one ma on more than one on sube to me a conkai at the France. And the game dear and easy games are FM 2 countries, you know. And China you ever come more about that game because of time. And the best enough.
All right, and no, and so no, Honomo Yuguswa live on Okoman 97.1. Okoman Global Sports Weekend Edition ana eguswa yedi ahonsem ni nyina dodona enso ede eba we are live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 wetumi de wo comment enso etumi afa hono mo sanso ana the next 10 minutes no maybe ahomatro for na unso wetumi afra ba nso aba be chewa adwene 0551 667755 0551 667755 na unso wetumi achewa adwen afa ene topics aye discuss any games outdoor eba ene no ochena no onso wetumi ahwemu eho ye beba quickly na ya ba hwe but before that ye bia ahoma no ntum obetumi afre fisadu ya ikono obetumi afre 0551 667755 0551 667755 Frebra now so better wadwen as say yeguso aye discuss the local stories no. Well, Black Galaxy say Tuesday womu to akwakopimu Egypt and to womu go preparations in so ha. I think that yenche endrami unya akwenya kasa kakra okay. Ma memfa oyi ewo ahoma yi so hello. Okay, intino yebefano na yaneno etumi edi hello. All right. Obe to me asanso afre about 0551 667755 0551 667755 now so we to me about beche wadwen odwumedie no so na nyoma so no etumi akonkan kama yembe hye Black Galaxies players are one more into me and ye available said ya di imra e kire no sanso no yebeba be hye Hasselfolk Mamefa oyi hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Would you be akasa free?
She make Kaniba Kopa Waka Wekropon Royal Junction TMO. My etio. Yo, which I want to have the Guafunina. Hey, na I'm never thought I do any Jesus. I'll be about Kopa Damuta. I'll be about Kopa. Other winter now when you didn't know crocro and can any user. I mean will be our and Namekan said Morocco any match no. Send me African quad you'll be support to let's support Morocco. Until Anya Kurapuno, Morocco bet me winning for 2 goals to nothing. The Morocco and Konyaku Shiram.
Okay, Onshira won so intimacy timo ana ono so etumi efre by o se ne Morocco ana eko eho betumi afre 0551 667755 sanso ana Vodafone ene obi wo ha o de frɛ Vodafone 0205 818748 0205 818748 onso wetumi afre edi abanti frebra na onso betre wadwen kakra enso ewo dwumedie no enso okay yenhwe uguso awokasa no na eneko ne ba na ye twesi mu na chese bibie tumi ai kama yenhwe Hasselfolk Shemu players bi a wo mo hwenim say January de ti bia wo beko Junior Kaba Yasin Ochin Abrante a friend no Mo Alasan ene Mohamed Alasan and I say Mohamed Fatau yes yenhwe na efe yemehwe free ye ban yen so ene has a contract nti ye we be 2 minutes mami
Probably a quick one on Hatfield issues, you know. I think the players on Mujo Mukwenyi now. It makes sense, except Abrante and they did Mo Alasan. And maybe Mo Alasan there is about Fatau Mohamed years 9 years in a Hatfield team in the Mo, a captain the Omaji League, the FA Cups and other trophies and I think say I be you know I'm eating in about a quite move as we jan quite a Obi a serve team no club for 9 years and had to focus in the last 12 years no money league here. Fatal the Ombeji League, FA Cup no back to back other trophies. In Zankebia, Uja no kwai nanka farewell be. Oh, now they are ma Fatal Mohammed because oye club legend. Let's not forget. Obe legend of Hatfield because in 12 years Hatfield NG League here. Oba Ebeji here. In Zankomuja no kwai no ka farewell be no the head. The amano. Nanka Abrante nso etuma kama ene sa no kwa dachi bia na ho odi nim de obenya fi baabi no obetimi de aba na obede abe support Hatfield club nti I think so mo nhwe Fata Mohammed enie but Abrante ya so na o che na Krobea I think so wabe flop Hatfield manfo ni da so na omu eda en so with the club na nkasa na omu kofa ne ba no I don't think say omanya no so mfa so bia in terms of playing for Hatfield omu nya nti omu ja no kwa in the right direction so Junior Kaba no potential here pa but Hatfield any striker you can't manaya na Hatfield any be ntamu ko fa Junior Kaba ba no potential but no so na abe flop e Hatfield ntin penny for feel so mu ja no kwan ya I come no mu ja no kwan na ono so no ekoba news about just Abrante and the Richmond Ayi were extending the contract by 3 years. And so now Abrante and the Abdul Aziz Nuruddin so extending the contract by 2 years. So had to fuck. Mohamed Alasan Krobea I think say no you hold a different issue altogether with Mo Alasan because when you're a club and you have a certain Mo Alasan, I don't think so be German and Okoman I think say painful in him the into so mujana kwai and to me I am here say Mo Alasan if he had to fuck because share the partnership between Mo Alasan and Robert Adusoa I know den so share some ranti me no Abrante need to go back just say I know den papa is Okoman I don't know but in painful in him the into omujana kwai Okoman so make sure so benya a better replacement had to fuck there no chance player kono go for replacement in your papa into okwa o make sure some be a better replacement and so they are team now Daniel free ban here Krobea Abrante be extending the contracts definitely be extending the contract they are to fuck was extended 2 years now so anya bibia gunumbuto ntino how's the phone come akuma Anthony be extending the contract
and share interview bia about channel and on Danlad Ibrahim and I mean no from Nick Kasemuno or your point for channel say there's no way I'll be let such opportunity down say because of
making it in the channel one man
sure and only at the back if or a player be or be decided say channel crowd one but from ni demeanor ni Kastle can out to say or way or person ball chan tournament and Kasa nobody so
no be extend contract in 2 years na about official na ba na wako na has nso nya bibi kakra e dey go mboto ntini any me so me gather from Daniel Ferry Banner apart from that I think say had to folk they are good to go we call Akobo Cape Coast and Cape Coast are one of their favorite grounds bom to me results into no I am sure senior this players no if you mo ban nyana so no e be contribute to had to folk
well enti no so eno no hono mo betumi afre na akasima no beye ahe beye sima beye du pepepe na ya sorry jumedi no so akasima du na ya sorry so 0551 667755 0551 667755 and I say 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 na onso way to me actually Solo
Krobea free man issue ne dey how to focus supporters in Tomobo Omun come to mo yem boy na be sign contract no Ediama because Chan Ankasano, Ghana Football Association, GFA for no. Omunina GDA free banium, China Yakono. Omuna GDA Esha banium say. Only Obia will be to me a quack Boagana.
Apena say Yenina. Say Timony Munidi, Yenina,
yes, individual now, yes, Yena, Yuration, but Oko F1 Ankasana, or football, no crown, or Moshasun Ankasano. Players now, Cochano. Nipa bako mujidi say obetumi arezi Ghana flag na high e wo tournament na say e banie into no de enya de a o me manako e na tournament no so rules and regulations na chere say one sign a mark club bi a untumi mo e chere say unye local based player inti banie de obebo the coaches no so here no coach ano worker and then assistant coaches no amuso here no tournament nim in the free banner there, Obesan, the Omonto Mobo, AKC 2 years, but maybe the someone year crowd my house or quite out of Beneska. And the supporters named Tom was Omo Brun in Dia, Eka 7, Saman Sanfata, Efano, Omon Bromobo, I say, Matia double. Ne interviews are horror. Double so many boy in Akasa, Bibi Egusomu did you mamma has so Ekasa. Nti obesan nti every bani issue ne there how to focus supporters will be Antonio and Mohammed Al Hassan say former captain Ishmael Gani says Al Talaba or Iraq and yes all Ghana and not down for pan Mohammed Al Hassan say Mohammed Hassan has and on no bokotoko but no what Ghana no more kapa and down for pa into Oko Iraq no on na didi nkomo adu akire no aka che ne se ohoye de
saa wono ankasa de na ye mu alasa ni mom kra na nka okokan ho
anka no ne di
yes mo nu na nka okokan kra but due to has folk Africa no ana be ye he ana captain na se ana amananko anka no kra na okokan
enti Gani uni na akasa say ye na wo ba
former out of folk player Emmanuel Neti. Yes,
and another Abbas being so crowd or a striker. Enti wadi nkoman hu say e hoso ye de enti nini also chale bra be peska ko because Iraq football no okwa wo ye den wo be nya abo no more than one betumi akonkan enti ni na aka ho na issue enso sanwo team na ngasemu coach we so ba no management ni coach ni bi ayomo se jusu no men yusu no ti abanta ne de on tra hasibiem mo ala asa de on tra hasibiem no na namoso e ma chan squad no kra ni di na mpiem bi nti ono de eya ne ya how to focus omo ne no ton kwanta pa ya enya me wawa because of that issues no and also baby why do no ohun no say yes or say okono kopeska and so to me be because say football ni na ayesika football boy ye bo na ayesika enta sanka FIFA kora you World Cup free 32 countries in 48 ayesika enti etisa de ya ono so ba kono akwa kopesika auction any junior kaba foreign based players are how to focus for more at the mobile no be a share nim san komo e ba no ne a George Mfege any abrante ani de ninia embela ebe ye e wasan tokotoko no anka boys we no so e ba na say we no so e ba how to focus no ombe ba be ye bisa at least someone to me anye more than ya kotoko players ne ye no kra na ombe to me bibi I be ben one kakra ni ehun say yes almost so e ba yo mo ye ya mo opportunity na but to me and deliver e emfa how to folk junior kaba any mo no ye share dem hu the performance emfa how to folk and the same thing and our change so new man fire and he has impenyu for atenase ehun say de ombeko transfer and also meji o ma kwa maybe who say ade eto asum but Krobea question back on say why na scouting players way and the man heart of a company for why na scouting and you do te anasa alaja can be
1 year scout or has to folk.
Also one of motor players no
1 year scout in my players.
Based on the recommendations of the technical team, they are more.
And he has technical team that recommend here.
Former Samuel Bwedu,
Samuel Bwedu,
and any technical men.
And I can't almost put Junior Kaba. And you know, credit.
And then
No, so I will challenge you this on every day. I will challenge you this because when it comes to player buying,
Samuel Bwedu,
yeah, see, you do maybe a coach's no request. Say, yeah, once a team na koto player and the coach in a pair. You took Roman na koto for your signers and send how much you coach.
But when we say technical team, and guys say a coach in
yes,
the technical team and coaching
before the new coach.
Now don't go technical team no why. And I was so
look if
aside coaches no why be
Oreka sa into Oreka say woman go into conversation but a recommendation from the technical team Samuel Bwedu and then the backroom staff now players are to me aboa idea start
and management and some player
we are talking of Junior Kaba and Ochi
me case junior media no
okay
Momo de must Samuel Bwedu na request you fine.
Yes. And yes Samuel Bwedu na request you. Yes.
This coach is not recommend yes Samuel Kofa.
Yes.
The modern no. Me so me say and yes Samuel Bwedu no na recommend
yes.
Me dey me say management no.
Oh okay.
Me players we party. No mo buy under Samuel Bwedu about how many matches na okoy.
Who train the Samuel Bwedu e kaba ho. Our training grounds or by the first training on 1 year and are they proud before the commencement of the season.
Yes. And I can say and as I say all cut and fair.
Yes and
it says Samuel Bwedu na dey buy idea. Now you say how to folk compare you for the patch say and I coach you when you so patch say
on fitting into the system.
Yes. Into onko. And it says sikana say clubs no more kromu ha motea mu yasika o leg na mo bono kra mo bre that's all be say sika akofa foreign based player sa Junior Kaba no ne ochi you almost players more than 20 times e wo kromu ha enti na mo nkonko fa sa players no yenya mri bi etwam how to folk no kotoko top players a omo ye kuku dam omo ye the Galacticos of Ghana football that's ade no omo ye and ye player bia omo te onka no makofa ye player bia omo te onka no makofa ampa hwene kotoko embela ko ye omo kofa ayi da Gabon say
Ugandan way
Uganda striker Mukwala aba Mukwala baye nia embela ya onye mukwata o enti yen clubs na say sika because bola Mukwala ebo bola Junior Kaba eba has a obebo ye sa ball no uko Great Olympics ayi that queen no wo Great Olympics Maxwell Kwe more than that,
and they pay them well and better than
than local based players,
no? Yes, that and the fact they pay them well and better. Baby, I want better. Even one crowd there, one ma one specific
special treatment.
Yes.
Any edmo e wo krom ha. And I can to me akwa for players. Uko Maxoko Great Olympics better player. Akwa find the number. Uko Bechem United ubenya players. On Mademono Wasro just because of say Sikanti ana.
Me kai say me mankasa my questions are when be because the moment I'll be going for a foreign player no player ne ba was on your exception.
Also your exception because who patches yes who patches ye players na wa ha no. Omo ni mu bo baby omo do no when ni mu bo say wom and then abeyaka Fatah Muhammad no more issue. Fatah there yes, watch our hearts into on there.
One thing is
but two players we know.
Young na in dealing with these foreign players, you know. Say Dubrea, one assign 2 years. Now one more even a season now per se one more demands no need.
No say a contract now.
One more new but a handy ABA Dr. Kwame Chebe Fretogbe. So that friendship, no more terminating contract. Sometimes it's true. It's true. If player no banning exception, and all them bam performing even better than one. Average player, or no. That way, no, me side with you. Very worrying. Very worrying because. One more agent, there's no way one more baby Chiama say player better in 2 years now. Wow,
there's
quarter of quarter of the season.
There's no way.
And
then clubs are any more compete to Africa. My work no. Yeah, that signings no. Ever Melody Sundowns and your signings way and you no compete to Africa. But compare what they do to
yes. Even Europe, you know, say Chelsea no money.
Yes, but koso. Eke do baby
I consistent too much. AJ.
Ghana Premier League bet shall see Monday.
Okay.
Yes, and all the stadium omu kono games no. Brekum Chelsea, we are playing at Babayara, which is Asante Kotoko.
My favorite grounds.
Yes, in yeah, Kase. Brekum Chelsea supporters Nina Embra, even though it's a midweek, a Wednesday, 3 p.m. kickoff. Will be Embra no best supporting Brekum team. No? And by God's grace, me so me wo Babayara.
I'll be free at that.
Say
be free at that
Tuesday.
Okay, great. BBI sorted.
BBI okay.
All right, okay. Great. Yeah, you know, yeah, we do BBI. See, I had a remark kind. I'm a Okoman Global Sports Weekend Edition, and so be to me as the executive producer, General Kofi Anson, bar for HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajman Eki, Solo Paradise, Ajwa Opoku Ezonam, Sanso Anna producer Papa, DJ Vibes, Zigibi Eboye the Enko social media, Facebook and YouTube. I'm a Jumedi Nunsono etumi etwegu miso midinemu edima Eki as your host, Krobea Asante. Ebrason siebema yemuso na enyum sweet melodious songs pa and so to me chegu wasum. Good afternoon.
Okoman Radio.